don't think about money. Do not think about money. Money will be a bonus. Believe me, it will come. Making people happy is, again, it's a gift from God. And what you do with that gift is your gift to you.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all our viewers from all over the world. We are here again for another episode of Ibulgar Mo.
What is up mga kabulgar? We are up for another fun and exciting episode because ang guest natin today, idol ko to. Probably idol nating lahat. This person, all around, lahat kayang gawin. I cannot think of anything na hindi niya pa nagagawa at hindi pa niya na-perfect.
Ladies and gentlemen, mga kabulgar, let me introduce to all of you the OG of the late night shows, actor Jojo Alihar. Jojo A all the way.
Wow! Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for having me.
Thank
Cons,
you.
Thank you. Of course, Michelle, thank you very much. And let me first congratulate you agad.
Thank you.
Ibulgar, ang
Thank you.
galing.
Okay, so lucky we are with the Jojo A. Sabi ko nga kanina sa introduction, etong tao na to, lahat talaga, trust me, lahat na panood kong ginawa niya. But how are you?
And I'm actually good. I'm learning the ropes of technology. I don't know if it's correct to call it digital or but kasi it's a never ending learning process.
Yes.
And kailangan you have to keep up with the time. So okay lang.
Tito, before anything else, can you tell us more kung paano po kayo nagsimula sa showbiz? Were you like a dancer already? Madaldal na po ba kayo during...
That too, no?
Daldal.
Actually, ano yan eh. Common mistake yun sa totoo lang kasi talaga ito again, I will inform everyone. Misconception kasi yun that I started in That's Entertainment.
Oh, okay.
No? Yung isa nga nating kasama dito si Lizelle knows that eh. I started in Penthouse Live. Penthouse Live was my glory days actually. I was in my
What was that RPN 9?
No, that was Channel 7.
Channel 7.
Oo. Tapos, by God's grace, I never auditioned for it. We never auditioned for Herman Moreno, for Kuya Germs. We just met him doon mismo when we were introduced, no? We were handpicked by Channel 7. Handpicked kami by yung lahat na executive ng Channel 7. Kasi we were kami noon malaki na yung grupo namin, the Tigers. But of course, si Kuya Germs man was very instrumental in paving the way for me to get into the bigger mass audience, no? So and I learned also so many things from him.
So after nyan, so Penthouse, and then, was it the dancing, the singing, the acting? Which came after?
Nauna yung dancing. Kasi naman, Tods, noong time namin, mas uso ang dance group kesa sa singing group or
Yeah,
singer.
true. Yeah.
Yung during the 70s, mga banda. Pagdating towards the late 70s na, getting to the early 80s, para kang sumikat sa mga eskwelahan at mga panchiks nung araw, kailangan may dance group ka na wala na yung banda. Wala na. So kami, ang ginawa namin, tayo kami ng dance group.
But how old
Tigers.
were you, Tito, when you started?
I was 16.
You were
16.
16. I was in my 4th year high school.
So after the dancing, paano tayo na-transition to, I think, That's Entertainment tayo eh.
Nag-graduate na, umalis na pala kami ng Penthouse. That's when Channel 7 got me for a new, yun nga, yung That's Entertainment. Si Francis Magalona, sumalangit nawa, no? Ako ang barkada niyan talaga noon. It was not yung The Barkads, no. Kami yung magbabarkada, nagimikan. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, pare, sayang naman, why don't mag-join ka na ng showbiz, ganyan. At the time, medyo frowning ako on that, no? Happy na ako sa pasayo-sayo, social, party lang. Hindi talaga talagang sabi nga ng Panginoon Diyos, di ba, the talent is given to you by God. You know, what you do with your talent is your gift to
Yes,
God.
I agree.
It's a
I
gift to
agree.
God. So, ano na ako, nag-join na ako. Kaya magkasama kami ni Francis, first batch kami ng That's Entertainment. Yun, pioneering batch kami. That's why doon, kumakanta na ako, sumasayaw, nag-acting and everything.
So Tito, you've had an incredible career spanning from acting, comedy, and hosting. What has been the most rewarding part of your journey in entertainment?
The most rewarding part is yung making people happy. That is the most rewarding part for me. Making people happy, making people smile. Sabi ng tatay ko, oh, you're given the opportunity to make people happy without even spending. Magpunta ka lang doon, makita ka nila, happy na sila. Wala ka pang ginagawa, happy na sila. Well, kasi yun ang most rewarding thing for me. Money is a bonus. It was a bonus for me. Pero yung making people happy is again, it's a gift from God, and what you do with that gift is your gift to
Ang
God.
ganda nun. That's something na yung magpapatunay sa saying na the best things in life are free.
Oo.
Diba? You sharing your talent,
That's right,
making
oo.
people happy.
Oo.
But has this always been your dream? Has this always been your goal? Like, kasi marami akong, like, kunyari, mga artista ngayon, di ba? Parang bata pa lang sila. The goal was either to be entertainment kasi I want to be famous or I want to help my family. Was it ano ba to? Like, latot kasi barkada, spread tara na, let's do this. Or has it always been your, hindi, bata pala ako, gusto ko na mag-perform.
Alam mo, hindi ko, that's very good, Ton. So, but looking back, hindi ko pinag-isipan eh. Hindi ko pinag-aralan. Everything just fell on my lap. Wala akong, I just sought the guidance of my parents, nanay at tatay ko, tapos, of course, God, and then I threw it out there in the universe, na whatever it is that you think is good for me, then I will embrace it, tapos, and focus on it, ganun lang. Mr. Tons, hindi ako nagplano sa buhay ko ever. Napansin ko, pag ikay nagplano, pagka nagkatotoo and it came into fruition, ang tendency ng tao, ang galing mo, pinaano mo no? Galing. You give your part. Nawala na yung element ng Panginoon Nawala na yung element of God, nawala na yung element of the universe. So, ang akin is, I know what I want to do. I will focus on it. And if it is blessed, then so be it. If it doesn't, then move on. Okay lang.
Ang ganda nun, you wanted God to navigate the road that you're going.
That is the
Pero,
correct word.
inaano mo yung you still do what you do best.
Where do you get your ideas and inspirations?
I get it from everything From everything around me, the people I talk with, the things that I see, my environment covers becomes my inspiration and my playground. That's how I look at it. So I'm a very observant person. I see to it na when I meet someone or I see things, if I can learn anything from them and get good vibrations from them, I will sit down and make time.
So this is the side of Jojo A that we do not know of. And ako, alam ko personally kasi yung pamangkin ni Jojo A is also my pamangkin He writes all his materials. He's very serious at what he does.
Yeah.
Lahat, merong mga scriptwriter but parang si LBS. He goes through and approves everything. Hindi siya yung parang host na may script, sampa ko, aralin ko, yan na. He makes all his material. Are you the serious type when you're serious?
Yes, I am. I believe in yung proper timing and proper yung lahat ng there's a time for everything. There's a time to be fun, there's a time to be firm. There's a time to be serious, there's a time to joke around, Although sometimes miski seryoso, para lang medyo masaya, nagpapatawa na lang ako. Pero din yung timing pa rin yun. Hindi mo kailangan Basta when it's time to be fun, fun time. But it's when the time is to be firm, then I become firm.
Again, ang daming ginagawa. And sabi ko nga talaga, no joke pa, ulit-ulitin ko to, idol, hands down, lahat ng... Do you get tired? Do you get fed up?
I get tired of people. I just get tired of people who are not, yeah, that's where I get tired.
So what do you
Pero
do when you get
physically,
tired though?
Hindi, ako
From those people?
of those people. Oo nga,
Parang, Michelle, parang may pinaghugutan ka.
Ano wala. Live and let live na lang ako. When you get to my age, kahit paano, medyo ang tolerance, it works both ways pala, no? Ang tolerance level mo, medyo bumababa. Pero yung wanting mo to not to engage, lumalaki. So, yung mga ganung bagay, I tend to just let it go.
But that's Jojo A now. Rewind tayo ulit. Let's tell our viewers, story lang, how were you then? Were you as the same as yung mga bata ngayon na meron nga isang sikat na dito na bata, di ba? Meron siyang group, Careless. You guys were very observant of the proper way pag in public. How were you then? Kasi you're one of ating idol.
Oh, tama ka, Tons. Ngayon ko lang sasabihin to. Kasi nung heartthrob days mo, yung ganun, very conscious ako. Hindi ka pwedeng lumabas ng, kailangan laging pogi, gano'n, laging Ngayon, pag nagkakaedad ka, wala na, okay na lang. Naka-short siya, minsan butas pa yung mo. Oy, Jose, kumusta? Yeah, pare, ayos lang.
But Tito, do you still enjoy the perks of being a celebrity?
You know, well, yes, because I can feel it, no? Pero hindi ko talaga, yun ang delikado if you let it get to your head. Because it will give you a false sense of entitlement.
Yes.
As much as possible, na talagang hindi ko hindi ko iniisip para lahat ng dumating sa akin bonus.
Dahil kasi yung goal niya rin kasi is to make people happy. Kaya ganun din po yung ginagawa niya. Do you have any advice to newbies na gusto sumikat, either influencer or anywhere in showbiz?
Well, my advice to those who want to start a showbiz career or influencer career, kung ano man ang right way of putting it now, always put put God first. What would He want you to do? Again, the talent was given to you by God and as a gift, and your gift to Him is what you do with your talent. Now, it's up to you whether yung gift na yon you will use to make people happy or otherwise. The best thing to do actually is don't think about money. Do not think about money. Money will be a bonus. Believe me, it will come. Huwag kayong maniwala dun sa, magkano agad yan. You may not have yung monetary compensation agad, pero you will be compensated with good vibes, you will be compensated with good relationships, and money will come. So, isipin nyo agad is you're sharing your talent, your God-given talent. And do not worry. Let Him worry about that. And you cannot outdo God in generosity.